My name is Nelson. Welcome to TO's Auto. Hey, we're in a 2010 Honda Pilot EXL. Leather interior, sunroof.
Help me get 20 likes, 400 subs.
Important to look at the inside. To look at the outside. Let's shift it into drive. Let's go. My dad always does this to see how smooth it shifts, and it shifted really, really nice. So this is our bumpy road. This is the bumpy road. Man, this road sucks so much. Not too bad, not great, but like I said, it's a used vehicle. Now it has 185,000 miles. Vehicle's accelerating just fine. The motor got a lot of power to it, 250 horsepower. Transmission is shifting just fine. I mean, I can barely feel the transmission shift. Pilot this year, 2010, a lot of style to it. EXL, you get the leather seats, you get the nice rims, really good thread, super stylish wheels, sunroof. It does have a backup camera, small, but it's a backup camera.
There you go.
U-turn, don't go a little corner. You ready? Let's go! Woo! Whoa, let me hit that brakes. Whoa, it brakes good. And it runs good. Woo! Sorry, I'm talking loud, but that motor, it wasn't too loud. It's all stock exhaust, everything's stock on it. Had the power, it definitely got up and went. Able to catch up to traffic, that's why I had to hit my brakes so hard. Do it again. Woo! Oh yeah! As of right now, it's just two-wheel drive. Oh, I thought that was me. Pilot pretty hard for about 20 minutes. You can see over here on the far right, the temperature's good. We still have the same gas that we left with. It's 54 degrees outside, 100% oil life, but not after this test drive. And the RPMs are idling just perfect. Today, right now, we have not had one bad Honda Pilot. You know, these are big family vehicles. A family vehicle like this, you gotta have it serviced up. You gotta have it ready to go. But not all vehicles are the same. And that's why you gotta look at the Carfax. You gotta look outside. You gotta look inside, look at the Carfax. And if everything matches up, if everything makes sense, I mean, it's just common sense. Car looks good, smells good, drives good, got good history, it's probably gonna be a good car. I do look at a Carfax to determine how reliable a vehicle is. First, we gotta look at our vehicle, 2010 Honda Pilot EXL, make sure the VIN matches. That is a big one. Two previous owners, also huge. Last owned in California, and this one is all California. You can see the owners there. 184,000 miles, so it's on the high side, but you can see a vehicle like this does not travel 184,000 miles without service. But if you have the opposite, where the car's dinged up all from the outside, the inside being dirty on a Honda Pilot is gonna be kind of normal. because, I mean, why do you buy a Honda Pilot? You got kids. You got kids, they're gonna be throwing things. You wanna have your space, and this thing has a lot. So much space here. This center console here is just humongous. You can put your phone very comfortably. Power outlets here, everything fits here. Another power outlet, auxiliary cord. Cool, I didn't know I had auxiliary. And look at this, in great shape. 2 sections here. Top part is your radio. Volume on. You turn it on by hitting fan. It has heated seats. Woo woo! I've had mine on, so my butt is nice and crispy right now. Only damage I see is a fog light that's cracked. Really, really good thread and a lot of style on those wheels. Just completing the look. If you guys own a Honda Pilot, let me know what year your Honda Pilot is. Let me know how much miles your Honda Pilot has, because this one has 185,000 miles and it's running, looking, performing like new. Our volume, and it changed the channel. Let me see if I can do it. It's working. Ah! Got that rear AC working. $70 miles an hour here on the Freeway CA-99. The alignment is beautiful. There's no shakiness in the wheel. Going 75 now. She's driving just about perfect. I love it. And you just don't feel like you're going 80 in a big vehicle like this. You feel like you're in something huge. You feel safe, you feel secured. I want to thank all of you guys for coming on this test drive with me. Like, comment, subscribe.